The Airavateshwara temple at Darasuram is one amongst a cluster of 18 medieval era large Hindu temples in the Kumbakonam area dedicated to Shiva and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple was built by King Rajaraja Chola II. You can find the detailed video on my YouTube channel. Here, I show some of the beautiful sculptures that can be found here. The central figure is a Lingodhava sculpture which shows Lord Shiva emerging from a fiery linga. This is Veerabhadra or a Ghora, a fierce manifestation of Shiva. This is on the southern koshta or niche. Now, the main deities in the koshtas or niches are made of black basalt, thus making them stand out separately from the lighter shaded granite which has been used for making rest of the structures. Then, this is a stone sculpture which depicts Bhairava, another fierce manifestation of Shiva. This is the Murti of goddess Durga. She is depicted standing atop a buffalo head, representing Durga defeating Mahishasura. So, hence, she is Mahishasura Mardini. This is the Murti of Dakshinamurti, which is also placed in a koshtam. This, to my mind, represents Kubera, the Gandharva lord of riches. Then comes the ubiquitous and most loved Lord Ganesha. Then, this is the sculpture of Lord Dhanvantari. The balustrade that shows a lion hunting an elephant near the central prakara is grand. This is a stone jali or a lattice window. Now, this has a geometric pattern reminiscent of swastika. This is Bhikshatana, a form of the Hindu deity Shiva again, as a wandering mendicant. An interesting shrine in this temple is that of Sharabhamurti, which is the shrine is separately attached to the southern wall of the mandapa. The detailed reliefs include galloping horses and a massive wheels designed to mimic a divine chariot. There is a gargoyle spout, which is another distinctive feature in this temple. This panel features figures from the Hindu mythology portraying Bhutaganas, that is, the attendants of Lord Shiva, alongside a Nandi bull. This image shows a statue of Saint Kanapa Nayanar just outside the sanctum. Kanapa Nayanar was a hunter devotee of Lord Shiva and is celebrated as one of the 63 Nayanmar saints. This statue is often highlighted for the intricate depiction of his footwear. This sculpture depicts the goddess Ganga. However, there are various arguments that say that she could be Annapurna or Bhuvaneshwari or Mohini. The stone carving is noted for its high level of detail, including visible fingernails and toenails. Then, this relief depicts a scene from Hindu mythology identified by some as Kamadeva or Manmata, who is attempting to disturb Lord Shiva's penance. Everybody knows that story. Now, this represents a warrior on a yali, a mythical creature found in many temples. Finally, the Devi, the Amman of this temple, is Periyanayaki, and she is in a separate temple alongside the main structure or main complex. Leaving you with some more visuals, and follow Temples and Lores for more such stories.